give you some tips and trick how you can prepare for the top MNC company. Okay, so first of all, I just count something like that. If you want to prepare for the Googles, Amazon, Facebooks and Oracles, then definitely you have to watch this video until end. So let's start now. I will give you how you can prepare for this organization, and also I will refer you one website. It's a very useful for you. So let's come back in Google and search one website name is Gigs for Gigs. What? Gigs for gigs.org. It is one of the websites and it is very popular for coding. Okay, come back and it will give you so many functionalities so you can do the coding in the very good way. So come back, just scroll it and just click here coding practice. If you click here coding practice, it will give you some interface like that. So first clear everything, just clears. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to click here. What for? What? Because if you company tax, if you want to prepare for the Amazon, just click here Amazon. I want to prepare for Microsoft, click here Microsoft. If you are preparing for the Adobe, click Adobe. If you are preparing for the Samsung, click Samsung. Okay, now so many companies there, you can look at, there is so many company. Oh my god, so many companies there's. Okay, okay, leave it, all these are the company. Okay, now you have to choose the difficulty. So difficulty is you want to school levels, yeah, basic, yeah, easy, yeah, medium, yeah, hard. For example, if you are a beginner, so manually you can select a school type, a school level coding, just this one. Okay, now this question is asking in some company. This question is ask Adobe, Oracle, Samsung, Zoho. Okay, this question is ask already Amazon, fact set, hike. This question is asking Amazon. Okay, so how you can do this code? Okay, I'm going to show you something. Just click here, whatever you know about it, and just learn about it. What is this? Read once again. Given number n, the task is the completed the function convert 5. So you have a function called convert 5, and which replace all the 0 in the numbers with 5 and returns the numbers. That's it. You don't want to do anything. So I already done this. You can see here I already done this code. How you can do, just take these numbers and assign something, reminders and while loop, and if this is completed, then after just reverse it and print out these numbers. So this is one of the questions you can done. Okay, I hope you got it how you can practice. Just come back and do something other questions. Also at least two greater elements, binary representation, find the median, yeah, value equal to the these numbers, palindrome numbers, how you can find it. I hope you know about palindrome numbers. So I already done this question also. What is a palindrome? You check this number is palindrome or not. Okay, just run this code. Yes, or submit it. Code is satisfy. It will show you this is correct. Okay, so like that you can do the coding in this platform. Also you have given this platform for you can get a job through this also. If you practice more, you can do everything in this platform. So you have to fill this all the forms. I have the is it will give you the rank. I already solved 26 questions, and this is about me. you can see here. Okay, I hope you got it and you can do like that, so you can become a powerful coder. Thank you so much for watching my video and prepared well. Best of luck.